Alright, here we go. Another one on the list of things to do this week. I think I'll be a little busy after work working on this one. I love a good challenge. There, customer, friend of mine. I ain't seen his car in a couple of years. He's been pretty busy. Pretty windy out today. Supposed to rain later on this evening, I guess. They've been saying on and off. Like another job for Super Clean. I think he finally retired. This was his old work car. Oh well, he said, do what you can do. Well, we're going to see what I can do. Can't work miracles, but I can try. In fact, the seat's a little wore out, but oh well. Outside don't look bad. Of the process. I remember we're gonna have a contest here sometime. Let's see if we can get some stuff away and figure out how we're gonna do that. Sure, think of some way to do it. Figure it out.